हाय स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम अगेन करता हूँ आपका चैप्टर नंबर 5 एसिड्स बेसिस एंड सॉल्ट and in the video we are going to discuss the NCERT questions of this chapter and here we go. Question number 1, state differences between acids and bases. Okay, so this question is not that difficult. Acids are sour in taste and bases are bitter in taste and soapy in touch. Acids turn the color of blue litmus paper into red, but bases turn the color of red litmus paper to blue. Okay, so acid do not change the color of turmeric solution, but bases turn turmeric to red. These are a few points, and then you can also mention the example of acids like sulfuric acid, nitric acid, acetic acid, ascorbic acid, oxalic acid, and hydrochloric acid and nitric acid. For bases you can write the example of sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide, and so on. Now coming to the question number 2, ammonia is found in household products such as window cleaners and it turns the red litmus blue. What is its nature? See, we have learned it that bases turn the color of red litmus into blue, and if the ammonia solution convert the color of red to blue, it means the solution is basic in nature. Now coming to the question number 3, name the source from where the litmus solution is obtained and what is its use. See, litmus is obtained from lichen, and lichen is the symbiotic association between alga and fungi, and it is found in mountainous region on the surface of rocks. And litmus act as an indicator which is used to find acidic and basic nature of solution. Now coming to the question number 4, is the distilled water acidic, basic or neutral? How would you verify it? You all know that distilled water is neutral, and to verify it we can make use of red litmus paper or blue litmus paper. When we add one by one, both of these litmus paper do not show any change in color, it means the distilled water is neutral in nature. Now come to the question number 5, describe the process of neutralization with the help of an example. So it's a simple case when base and acid react, then salt and water is formed, and also heat energy is released, and the reaction in which heat energy is released, those reactions are called as exothermic reactions. Now I'm coming to the true false question. Question number 6, part 1, nitric acid turn red litmus blue. This is totally false because acids do not respond to red litmus. Okay, it is only bases which convert the color of red litmus to blue. So this is false. Now come to the question number 6, second part, sodium hydroxide turns blue litmus red. This is again wrong because sodium hydroxide is a base and bases do not respond to the blue litmus, although it converts red litmus to blue. So this is false. Now coming to the third part, sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid neutralize each other and form salt and water. Yes, this is neutralization reaction and this is absolutely true. Coming to the question number 6, part 4, indicator is a substance which show different color in acidic and basic solution. This is absolutely true, but you should take care that indicators sometimes show change in color in acidic solution, sometimes it show change in color in basic solution. So it depends on the type of indicator that we take. Question number 6, part 5, tooth decay is caused by presence of a base. Okay, so this is a false again, and to know the concept behind it you should know how tooth decay actually take place. होता क्या है, when we take food, then the food particle gets stuck in between our tooth, then on this food particles microbes grow. When microbes feed on the food particle, then it produces acid, and this acid come in contact with the teeth and then causes the decay. So it means it is not the presence of base, but it is the presence of acid which is produced by interaction of microbe with the food particle, which is responsible for the tooth decay. Now I'm coming to the question number 7. The 7th question, it is a story question. Dorje has few bottles of the soft drink in his restaurant, and unfortunately these are not labeled, and he has to serve the drinks on demand to the customer. One customer wants acidic drink, and another customer wants basic drink, and third one wants the neutral drink. Now how Dorje is going to decide which drink is to be served to whom? Yes, if the Dorje want to decide which drink to be served to whom, then he should know in which bottle which type of drink is there. For that he can do the testing by tasting the taste of cold drink. If the taste of solution is taste of cold drink is sour, it means it is acidic solution. If the taste is slightly bitter, it means it is basic solution. And in neutral solution, it has no taste. And second technique that Dorje can apply, he can make use of litmus paper to test the nature of soft drink. If the blue litmus changes into red color, it means the solution is acidic. And if the red litmus color changes into blue, it means the solution nature is basic. Okay, and if the litmus paper do not show any change in color, whether it is red litmus or blue litmus, then it means the solution is neutral in nature. Okay, so this is how he can do the testing. Now come to the question number 8, part 1. An antacid tablet is taken when you suffer from acidity. एंटासिड टैबलेट का मतलब है जैसे कि जो इनो की जो आपकी जैसे पाउडर या इनो के टैब्स आते हैं, तो वो हम यूज़ करते हैं एसिडिटी को रिमूव करने के लिए. ऐसा क्यों करते हैं? क्योंकि एंटासिड टैबलेट्स में होते हैं बेस, फॉर एग्जांपल मिल्क ऑफ मैग्नीशिया, सो इट न्यूट्रलाइजेस द एक्सेस एसिड विच इज़ प्रोड्यूस इन द स्टमक. ओके, so hence it is used to give relief from the acidity. Now I'm coming to the question number 8, part B. Calamine solution is applied on the skin when ant bites. You see, when ant bites, it injects formic acid, and calamine contains zinc carbonate, which is basic in nature. So calamine neutralizes the effect of formic acid and brings relief to the affected person. Now coming to the question number 8, part C. Factory waste is neutralized before disposing it into water bodies. It is neutralized because factory wastes are acidic in nature. It can cause harm to aquatic life. Therefore, it has to be neutralized by base before disposing it into water bodies. Now I'm coming to the question number 9. 3 liquids are given to you. One is hydrochloric acid, and another is sodium hydroxide, and third one is the sugar solution. Now how you will identify? We have to make use of only one indicator, which is turmeric indicator. So dear students, I don't know how the explanation has been given in the text, but I want you to understand it very very carefully. You see, you have to take 1, 2 and 3 container. This is container number 1, container number 2 and container number 3. So in this we have to take the solution of, in the first container we have to take the solution of NaOH. Okay, so in this we are taking NaOH, and in this solution when we add turmeric solution, okay, we are adding turmeric solution, then what color will be formed? Red color will be formed, because we have studied that turmeric in the basic solution give rise to red color. Now we got to know that sodium hydroxide is basic in nature. Now the next solution we have to test, which is sugar solution. What is its nature? So we, in the second container, in the second container, this was container number 1, container number 2 and container number 3. In container number 1 we had taken NaOH and we added turmeric solution, and red color indicates that NaOH is basic in nature. Now in second container, to the NaOH we add sugar solution and then we add turmeric. Okay, then we add turmeric. So what will happen? What is the nature of this solution? See, NaOH is basic and sugar solution is neutral, and combination of basic solution and neutral solution is always basic. So when you add turmeric in it, there will be red color. Okay, there will be red color. So it indicates that the sugar solution is neutral in nature. Now in third case, again we have to add NaOH, then we have to add hydrochloric acid. Now this is base and HCl is acid, and base and acid react, what is formed? Neutral solution is formed. Okay, so when the neutral solution is formed, now you add turmeric solution to it. So what will happen? Turmeric solution when added to the neutral solution, so it will not show change in its color, so solution will remain yellow only. So this test indicates that HCl is acidic in nature. So this is the test, just go through it. Now coming to the question number 10. Blue litmus paper is dipped in a solution, it remains blue. What is the nature of solution? Explain. See, it is very simple that when the blue litmus is dipped in a solution and it remains blue, it means it will not be acidic. Okay, it may be basic, it may be neutral, because blue litmus do not respond to neutral or basic solution. Okay, now I'm coming to the question number 11. Both acid and bases change color of all indicator. Okay, so this is false, because some indicators respond to change in color, gives change in color in acidic solution, and some indicators show change in color in basic solution. Okay, so you cannot say that both acid and bases change the color of all indicators. Okay, now second question is, if an indicator give color change with acid, it does not give color change with base. This is again false. Okay, and if indicator changes color with base, it do not show change in color with an acid. This is again false, because I can give you example of one indicator. Say for example China rose, it gives dark pink or red color in acidic solution and it gives green color in basic solution. Okay, so similarly there is one indicator named methyl orange, which gives red or orange color in acidic solution, and it gives yellow color in basic solution. So we cannot say the point number B and C to be correct. Now I'm coming to question number 11 part 4. Change of color in an acid and base depend on the type of indicator. This is what I was trying to say. So only option number D is correct. So this was all about questions of NCERT exercise of acids, bases and salts. Hope you like the video. Till I post next video, I wish you all the best of studies. Thank you. Bye bye.